Welcome to the first video in our series on using your Chamber GlueUp account. We're going to have multiple videos going out, allowing you to have a closer look at managing your account, posting in my community, registering for events, and more. I want to take a moment to clarify our members' accounts. Every employee of a Chamber business member is a member of the Chamber. Every single employee at your organization can create a GlueUp account. This does not mean they will be able to change the business listing or business account information. Only those you designate to do that will be able to. For example, you have a CEO, finance manager, store manager, and 5 associates at your business, and you only want the CEO and finance manager to have access to invoices, receive sensitive emails, and be able to edit company information for the Chamber. Every single person I just listed can have a GlueUp account, and we can make sure only the CEO and finance manager receive those specific items mentioned. When everyone has an account, they are able to register for events and interact with other Chamber members. We are then able to know where they work and send them our mass emails about upcoming events and committee meetings. We will have a video on this later detailing more information about accounts. I also want to point out that there is a how-to guide on our website. This has some additional information that you can access anytime you need to. Now, we are going to go through the process of registering for an event. This is our most used feature and a great topic to start with to get you familiar with the system. First, go to blairchamber.com. The first tab on our homepage is dedicated to events. You can see that we have a drop-down menu that allows you to see what types of events we hold and their descriptions. To register for an event, you are going to click on Calendar. You can see the current and upcoming events, but you can also see past events. Check out the events we've done in the past, and if you are interested, make sure to mark your calendar to check for them for next year. For this exercise, we are going to register for the Pathways to Sustainability event. Select that event to take you to our event page. Our event pages are designed to tell you everything you need to know about the event. It will have a description, a list of speakers if there are any, our sponsors, and an agenda if one is needed. To start the registration process, select Register. Again, we want to reiterate that if you work for a Chamber member business, you are a member of the Chamber, so you will select Chamber Member Ticket. If you are watching this and the business you work for is not a member, you might want to speak to them about starting a membership. It is the best decision your business can make. Once you've selected the number of tickets you want, we are going to register 2 for this video. You will then select Register Now. As you can see, I have a GlueUp account and the system is grabbing my information and adding it in for me. For today's example, I'm going to click the check mark to type in my own information. This option is also useful if you are registering others in your organization to go to an event, but you are not going yourself. Then, you type in your information. I will put my first name and last name and my email. This next line is the most important part of this video. You will start to type your company name and let the option for your business pop up. As you can see, I typed Blair and many options were shown. I will select my company from the list provided. Why is this so important? Our system can be sensitive, and if you provide your company name but have a slight variation, like you add incorporated to the end when that is not what the business is listed as, you are creating a new company profile. This does nothing to the original company profile except take your contact information out of there and add it to the new company profile you accidentally created. Please wait a moment when you are typing in the company name to make sure you select it from the menu provided. Put in your additional ticket information for other registrants. You will notice the company name is filled in already. The registration information will be displayed and you can choose yourself to be the billing contact, or you can change it to email to someone else in your organization. For example, if I was booking for myself and Linda, but I wanted the bill sent to our accounting specialist, Rachel Prosser, I would put her information in. There is also the opportunity to put your billing information in if you are purchasing your own ticket. Finally, you can choose your payment method. Upon choosing credit card, you will be taken directly to a page to fill out the credit card information. If you choose one of the two check options, you will receive an invoice in your inbox or the email you provided for billing. That invoice will have a link to pay with a credit card if you change your mind and would like to do it that way. And that's it. You will receive a ticket with a QR code to your email. Feel free to print it out or show your phone at the event for us to scan it. If you forget your QR code, don't worry. We will still let you in and will know you attended. We look forward to seeing you at our next event.